Joining with us is Mr. Shahjahan from Universal Publications with over 40 years of publishing experience. I invite Mrs. Thanamal Gomathi Nayagam to join on stage. She is the owner of publishing house Shankar Padipama, again with over 40 years of publishing experience. Both of them have over 1,000 plus books. And I would like to invite Shankar, our CEO and co-founder, to deliver the welcome address.
எனது தந்தையார் கோமதி நாயகம், பாப்புலர்லி நோன் அஸ் ஏஜி. இப்போ அவர் நம்மளோட இல்லை, ஆனால் என்னுடைய மானசீக குருவாக தினமும் என்னை வழி நடத்திட்டு இருக்கிறது அவங்க தான். இன்றைக்குமே இந்த இடத்துல அவங்க ஆன்மா எல்லாரையும், இந்த இளம் எழுத்தாளர்கள் எல்லாரையும் வாழ்த்திக்கிட்டு தான் இருக்கிறாங்க. இந்த டிஜிட்டல் வேர்ல்டில் அடல்ட்ஸுக்கே படிக்க டைம் இல்லை அப்படிங்கிற அந்த நேரத்தில் நிறைய பேரண்ட்ஸ், உங்களை மாதிரி பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ஸை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணி அவங்கள புக்கு எழுத வச்சு பப்ளிஷ் பண்ண வைக்கிறது ரொம்ப பெரிய விஷயம். ஸோ அதுக்கு முதல்ல அவங்க எல்லாருக்கும் பாராட்டுகள்.
Five years back, okay, when we thought that kids are spending a lot of time on Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime. I mean, and in the meantime, at that time I think TikTok was also there. So kids were spending a lot of time on all that, right? Parents were not able to control because parents were at home working. They were all on work from home. I am talking about the COVID early period. It was uncontrollable. Okay, and that time we felt we should do something pro bono mari, something for the society where at least kids are handled, because we are not medical professionals to go out and do some work, right? And we don't know what is corona at that time. We didn't know what is happening. So at least from home manage pandradhukku we thought we'll start Learner Circle, and that's how it started. Anga aarambiche with a vision that we'll help kids pursue their passion. We have reached multiple milestones for different courses. For example, Bharatanatyamla, we have taken kids to Salangai Puja in Malaysia and Dubai. Our kids in Salangai Puja have completed Salangai Puja in Malaysia and Dubai. Idu online la mattum kathukradhu. They all learnt it through online. Okay, so people who don't know what Salangai Puja is, it's like black belt. Okay, or belt. First, the most important belt, Mari. Okay, so it is like that. Kids can now start performing on stage. So on the we were able to achieve. Kids have achieved Trinity certificate, okay, in music, keyboard, guitar எல்லாம் அச்சீவ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க. செஸ்ல FIDE rating வர ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க. So we started getting really proud about this, and that's when it struck us that எங்ககிட்ட நிறைய kids creative writing கத்துக்கறாங்க, but there is no milestone for them, right? They are all writing, they are all in public speaking or writing course, but அவங்க யாருமே ஒரு milestone achieve பண்ணல. Salangai Puja is a milestone. Trinity certificate is a milestone. FIDE rating is a milestone. And that's how book writing is a milestone. It rang a bell on us.
Love all those magic series I used to watch when I was in quarantine, like in COVID lockdowns. Like, maybe I can just become a hero myself. This was no formal training. This was just my imagination. Thank you.
Caitlin is a very special child. She's on autism spectrum actually. She's diagnosed with hyperlexia. So having achieved this is really, really phenomenal. And she's really, really creative. She loves Lego and she surprises us really, and she's also gifted. She's tested giftedness actually for giftedness. So we're really, really proud of her and the whole family. Thank you so much for this opportunity.